Hi to everybody. It's a great pleasure to establish this first contact by video. I'm 60 years old, married, no children, and have a stable life situation. I'm a mechanical engineer by formation. We focus on product design, mainly automotive components such as combustion engines, transmissions, and axles. Uh, This last for special applications and automation of heavy trucks in Brazil. I'm also a specialist in manufacturing process such as stamping, forging, casting, and machining parts and tools. Also engineering, plastic injection, and molding. Along 15 years, I've worked as a technical and commercial director selling solutions and services based on engineering software, CAE, CAD, CAM, for many industries and mainly for the automotive segment. Uh, I've also got my MBA at FGV in the 90s, and more recently, I had a post-graduation in marketing and strategic planning by Fundação Dom Cabral. I see myself as a very committed person, dynamic, open mind, and a challenge seeker. I would be very nice if I can meet all of you for an open conversation in order to talk about our mutual professional perspectives. Feel free to contact me anytime for this conversation. I'm looking forward to hearing about Scania as soon as you can. See you. Bye bye.